How to see PowerPoint hanging and lagging problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device over here. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. So all I have to do is just go back and make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, make a long press on Microsoft PowerPoint and then tap on App Info. As you do that, it will take you to App Info page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then here you can just clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options by going to each options over here. As you do that, you can just relaunch the Microsoft PowerPoint and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.